3. Good! Go!
I've been walking along the sidewalk. People gawking, they point because I tune it out. I won't live in vain. I'm the one that they ever talk about. Too rough, too crazy, too tough to try to change my ways. Too strong, too proud, too rock, too loud. Too love, too hurt, too bad, too care what people say. And I walk away slow. I've been trying so hard to stay afloat, patronized and promised the entire world. I won't live in vain. I'm the one that they ever talk about. Too rough, too crazy, too tough to try to change my ways. Too strong, too proud, too rock, too loud. It's not me. Too love, too hurt, too bad, too care what people say. And I walk away slow. And you can't help this soul I'm holding, these pages I turn in. It's not me.
Hi, this is my foster Goodie. She's a 2-year-old pit. She's absolutely stunning, gorgeous, and she has kennel cough. So I am fostering her. With Palm Beach County Animal Control, you can participate in their foster program. They provide crate, medicine, and everything you need to get these dogs back in shape for their forever home. Have a great day. Bye. Thank you.
And I walk away.
She's a sweet bug.
Too rough, too crazy, too tough to try to change my ways. Too strong, too proud, too rock, too loud. It's not me. Too love, too hurt, too bad, too care what people say. And I walk away.
Hi, this is my foster Margo from Palm Beach County Animal Control. She came down with kennel cough and was on the urgent list, so I stepped in to rescue her with a short-term foster. Fosters are needed all across the United States. Please find out how and reach out to your local shelter. Thank you so much for watching. Bless you.